good afternoon. Why do I always say that? Sorry. Most of my classes are in the afternoon, so I've got this idea that I'm always teaching in the afternoon, and I don't normally teach in the mornings. So I apologize. Anyway, good morning, everyone. It is May the 15th here at KIT Iizuka, second period English 2C. Let's take a look at what we're going to be up to this week. Before we do that, I just want to point out to you again, one more time, your test is coming up on June 6th. June 6th is right after May 22nd. So we have this week, next week, and then May 29th is off because that's a Tuesday schedule. June 6th, 2 classes from now will be your test. Now, about the test itself will cover all of Working in Japan Unit 1, as we'll have done all of that homework by this week. And of course, the vocabulary and the reading units for that, and the shadowing material that we have done. So all of Unit 1, the vocabulary, the grammar points that I think are important, that we study in our class, and the shadowing material, some of it. You don't have to perfectly know all of that shadowing material, but some questions will be based on that. Okay, so Unit 7 and Unit 1, that will be for the final test, but for the midterm test, it's only Unit 1. Okay, now this week, a few things that I wanted to tell you. So don't forget to do the quizzes and the reading notes for your extensive reading, okay? And make sure that you submit the worksheets and your book quizzes soon after you finish. So you read a book, take the quiz right away. And then right after that, write your reading notes, okay? Now, I noticed that some of you are submitting your reading notes. Now, to submit your reading notes, they're up here in class number 2. So in the reading notes, okay, here we go. Reading notes. If you need to download it, you can download the reading notes worksheet and then submit a photo of that to the system. Now, I don't say it's a problem, but I just want you to understand that you're probably best to have finished already by now between 4 to 6 books. And we're getting close to the halfway point, okay? The halfway point will be the midterm test. So you should be close to 4 to 6 books. 6 is great. 4 is good. 3, okay. 3 books finished, that's okay, I understand. Now, maybe you finish those books, but only 3 people, 3, have submitted their reading notes. And there were 25, there are actually probably only about 21 students in this class. So that's 3 submissions for 25 students. That is not many at all. Even if it was everyone doing it, 21 students would be this number, 3. That should be 60. So I know that you're very busy right now and you have a lot of assignments and you think, oh, reading, I can do that later. May 29th, I'll read a lot of books. It's actually very hard to do that. I really suggest you get into a good schedule, a good rhythm right now of making sure that you read a book at least every 10 days. For some of you who have not begun reading, you're going to have to start reading 1 book a week because the schedule has been left off. In any case, make sure that you get started on your reading, make sure you take your quizzes, and then you submit your reading notes, okay? Because this is part of your grade, okay? That's in class number 2. Here, class number 2, come on. That's under class number 2, where we did the Moodle reader test. Okay, and this week, we're going to be doing the shadow talking. Sorry, it seems to be very slow today. Shadow talking for this article. Any questions, we'll be doing a little bit there. And let's see, your homework you have your homework answers, like last week, that you can download. Your homework submission, okay, is the third one for Unit 1. So all of the information up to this point, make sure that you answer the questions, take a picture of it, send it up. Did any of you? No one's done it yet. And you have one reflection. And the reflection is based on what we've been doing in class, all of the I go, do you go, he goes, does she go kind of practice that we do. I want you to watch this video, and then I want you to tell me, okay, what you think, yeah, right here, what you think you need to improve your fluency, okay? All right, and as always, take a picture, send it up to the submission. If anyone has any questions on that, well, you can always come and talk to me here, or remember, you can always email me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Okay, everybody, let's have a good class.